I'm sure you've heard the news. Baking cupcakes just got a whole lot easier. Ready to dive in? Today we're diving into easy 10-ingredient cupcake recipes perfect for beginners. First up, classic vanilla cupcakes. You'll need flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, butter, eggs, milk, vanilla extract, and a pinch of love. Mix them up, bake for 18 minutes, and voila! Next, let's talk chocolate. Swap out some flour for cocoa powder, and you've got rich, dreamy chocolate cupcakes. Same simple steps, same delicious results. Feeling fruity? Add some mashed bananas to your basic mix, and you've got banana cupcakes. Or toss in some blueberries for a burst of flavor. So many choices, all with just 10 ingredients. And don't forget the fun part, frosting. A simple buttercream is all you need. Butter, powdered sugar, a splash of milk, and vanilla extract. Mix until fluffy and spread it on top. There you have it. Delicious cupcakes, no stress, and all the fun. Happy baking, friends!